Writing a resume is an essential task when applying for a job. A resume is a document that summarizes your work experience, education, skills, and achievements. The goal of a resume is to showcase your qualifications to potential employers and convince them to invite you for an interview. Here are some steps to follow when writing a resume. Choose the right resume format. There are three main resume formats: chronological, functional, and combination. The chronological format is the most common and lists your work experience in reverse chronological order. The functional format emphasizes your skills and achievements, while the combination format combines both the chronological and functional formats. Write a strong objective or summary statement. Your objective or summary statement is the first thing employers will see, so it should grab their attention. Use strong, action-oriented language to describe your skills and experience, and tailor it to the specific job you are applying for. List your education in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent degree. Include the name of the institution, the degree you earned, and the date you graduated. List your work experience in reverse chronological order, starting with your most recent job. For each job, include your job title, the name of the company, and the dates of your employment. Use bullet points to describe your job duties and accomplishments. In addition to listing your job duties, highlight any achievements or accomplishments you've had in each job. This could include awards you've won, sales quotas you've met, or projects you've completed. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to screen resumes before they're ever seen by a human. To ensure your resume makes it through this initial screening, use keywords that match the job description. Your resume should be no longer than 2 pages, so make sure you're only including information that's relevant to the job you're applying for. Before submitting your resume, proofread it carefully to check for typos, grammatical errors, and formatting issues. Ask someone else to read it over as well to catch any mistakes you may have missed. By following these steps, you can create a strong resume that showcases your skills and experience and convinces potential employers to invite you for an interview.